is it? You saucy.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danielle. And Marjan's over there. And we're at Marjan's house. And I slept at Marjan's house. And
I'm looking a mess.
I didn't show you.
I know that's what I'm saying.
Oh. We had plans today, but then the universe said no, there's bacteria in the ocean. You can't go in the ocean, so, or not, just not like normal bacteria, but I guess high levels of bacteria to where the people are saying, oh, don't go in the ocean. So we're not going to the ocean anymore, to the beach.
And it would happen the one time we was.
I mean, we could still go, but not get in the water. But what fun is that? We go stare at the beach. That's fun.
Hopefully some dolphins that make a special appearance.
But yeah.
At least that you do.
Yeah, I just did this to start the video. We had Dunkin' for breakfast. This is my drink, hang on. Oh. I had a large ice macchiato with 4 French vanilla swirls and 1 sugar and oat milk instead of regular milk.
I forgot what I had. It was a medium iced coffee with hazelnut and caramel.
I think so. Oh no, it was vanilla. That's what you had last time. So that's what I ordered. Except I ordered her a large and I gave her a medium.
So that's always fun.
Booty heads. And then we had some food from there too. Marjan, I can't wait to go to the nail shop for real.
Well, we got some nail polish we're going to use right now. Until then.
Nail Reserve sent us these polishes to test out, and they also gave us a code for you guys. The code is DeLexis for 50% off, but it only applies to 2 gel polishes, and it does not apply if there are already promotions going on their website. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description and at the pinned comment. All right, y'all. So we got some
Hey, y'all.
Yeah, this is the first time y'all seeing Marjan for real.
Well, yeah, because I was doing my nails, so y'all ain't really seen me.
But today we trying Crumbl cookies for the first time.
Let's hope they good, because it's been mixed reviews. So
yeah, We gonna see. We got chocolate chip. I think this one is the lemon cupcake cookie. This one's the strawberry Pop-Tart cookie, and this is the double chocolate brownie or something like that. So we gonna taste them. Which one you want to taste first?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
God damn!
It's warm. Well, you want this piece or the piece with the?
That don't matter.
I just know you don't like strawberry like that. I don't know what that is on there.
I don't want all this.
No. 1, 2, 3. Tastes like a... No.
It tastes like a fig Newton.
It tastes like one of those
Fig.
those Knott's Berry Farm strawberry cookies.
No, I ain't never had them.
With the chocolate jam in the middle. It's pretty good to me. I ain't gonna lie.
It ain't nasty.
Taste that. It's good. It's good.
I'm sure I got that in here.
I don't think you do. Whatever. That's pretty good. Yeah.
I'm trying to see, because I like chocolate, so I'm trying to say the best for last. But it don't matter. I picked the first one. Your turn.
I mean, we could do lemon.
You sure?
I don't like lemon that much, so.
What the hell you got it?
Because I didn't want to get all chocolate. Duh. Go. Actually, you picked lemon.
You picked lemon.
You said
lemon or strawberry. I said lemon. And you ended up getting both. The strawberry was pretty good though.
Yeah.
It's just some thick ass frosting. Dang! They pull apart.
I'm not too excited about this one.
It's a lot.
Y'all can't see that good. Okay. That's soft frosting.
It's a lot.
I'm not a fan of this one. I don't even want another bite.
It's just too much frosting. It's too much frosting on this one. But it ain't bad.
It's like fluffy frosting, but I'm not. Yeah, I'm good on that.
It's just the frosting is real. You got a frosting. That one really put the story to that one.
This one now?
You want to?
Oh, okay.
I do need a break from frosting, but
I think chocolate chip. Let's do chocolate chip
to even it out. They real pull apart. I like that. Look how thick it is, y'all.
1, 2, 3. Oh, hold on.
All right. Can't go wrong with the chocolate chip.
Yeah, it's chocolate chip.
It's
pretty good.
Favorite one so far.
I'm really into the strawberry one, even over chocolate chip. The thing that's getting me is that they're doughy.
Yeah, you said that. I love soft cookies,
but not doughy cookies.
I can do that.
Like almost not done in the middle of me.
I'm gonna need something to drink. Yeah, I was slow and weaker.
I'm gonna need some of this. Pretty good though. I ain't gonna hold you.
I like that.
Last one. Why you keep grabbing little tiny pieces?
I don't want this whole thing.
Oh,
I don't think your milk's gonna taste like the Subway cookie.
hopefully. This actually looked good. It got like fudge, or it's melted or something.
brownie.
This the one.
This the one. First place.
Second place to me.
You like strawberries too? This one's gonna do it. There's a lot of sweets.
Sweet. I'm not used to these thick cookies.
These are the best cookies. I love thick cookies. Thick, soft cookies. A little crunchy on the outside.
They're good, but I don't think I would like. If I'm craving cookies, I would go here.
That was better than expected because I've been seeing mixed reviews on it. So I was kind of nervous.
Unexpected. Didn't know what to expect.
But what do you rate it all together? Out of a 10.
Out of a 10 altogether, it's about a 6 on my cookies.
I would say 7. I would say 7. 7.5 because I like soft cookies and I like more than I disliked. So
True. But also, apparently they switch their cookies daily or weekly or
Don't do
something.
that.
So if you really like one and you crave it, you
can't get it again.
You don't know when it's gonna come back. So that's trash.
this is, a 7.5.
I'll go with 6.
Some people I feel like was overhyping it.
Yeah.
Some people were underhyping it. So it depends on your taste buds. What you
It's
like.
good, but I think it could be cooked some more to me. But that's just me.
I like it.
This one good though. The
That tastes
strawberry
like
one.
that tastes like a fig Newton to me. And those used to be my favorite snack when I was little. Yes, call me old, but it was good. Lemon, it was just too much lemon.
Not
too
into it.
much cream, yeah.
Chocolate chip was good, but I've had better chocolate chip.
Okay. That was a damn good brownie cookie though.
The brownie cookie was good, but I've also had better brownie cookies.
I haven't. I'm gonna say brownie cookie,
but also I'm not
brownie.
I don't know, girl. I'm just talking. I'm not really like super into chocolate right now. I don't know. It's weird.
I don't like sweets. Like I don't love sweets. So
like it was just a little tad too sweet for me.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I just needed a piece. I didn't need a whole cookie because I can't do that much sweet.
Yeah, like I think maybe you could get like 1 or 2 cookies and eat it over the course of a week.
Yeah, for sure.
Because these are really sweet.
Very sweet. But yeah, 7.5 for me.
6 for me.
It could have been a 9 if I didn't have a lemon cookie. Maybe we did like another chocolate.
True.
Hell, even if they had red velvet.
They had it was another chocolate, but I didn't want to get like 3 chocolate cookies.
True. Yeah. But yeah, better than expected.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say better than expected for sure. Yeah.
I agree. What?
Hey guys.
Alright, hey y'all. We
At the beach.
yeah, we went to Starbucks. It's a naked man walking. We saw him last time.
You fine now?
No. But yeah, we at the beach. We done went to Starbucks. I already drank it already. And we just sitting here. Y'all want to see the water?
I got a peach green tea lemonade with lemonade.
I got a matcha latte with oat milk.
We're at Zuma Beach in Malibu. Is this the Malibu?
I don't know, girl. Beats me.
Anyways, we're waiting on the dolphins, so we know they out.
I'm gonna show y'all the ocean.
Scrub.
We really came here to see some dolphins, but I think we came too late. That's all I gotta say, huh?
Wait.
You see some dolphins?
I see movement.
Probably an ugly bird. But I'm about to...
We actually saw the
even-
dolphins. Like this.
Yeah, they was playing in the water.
We didn't see them jump, but they came up.
Yeah. Like you could tell. I was about to eat this, but just smelling them making me sick.
It's just way too much sugar. Damn.
What?
That boat moving?
Yeah.
Oh, I did not know it was moving. It was definitely right there. It took a long time to move.
I wonder if it's like a cruise ship.
I don't know, but that took a long time to move.
I mean, they can't be zooming. It's the whole ship.
But damn.
Don't bring too much attention to us. Goddamn.
Danielle.
SK's
Danielle.
over here.
What does that mean?
Cereal something.
It ain't cereal box neither.
He hears and I'm convinced you laughing because it's true. It's a trio, and I'm pretty sure.
How do you do it? Like, it ain't hard.
It ain't hard. It ain't hard to identify.
At all.
Look at her.
I feel like the dolphins really just can't see him. At first, for a quick second, when we first saw him, I thought it was like a shark. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie.
Marjan, I told you it was dolphins.
Danielle, I'm saying when I first saw it, it looked like a shark a little bit.
And not at all.
They are a different color.
And different. They have different fins, no?
I don't know what fins mean. They got oh, that's a fin. A shark fin, yeah. Why they do that? Why they swim just the fin out? Are you trying to intimidate somebody? Because it ain't scaring me.
You not scared of a shark?
No, I ain't going that deep in. What I'll be scared for?
Here's our nails after we did them today.
Not too much.
So cute, so cute. Anyways, I really did that just because so I could show y'all all these parking spots at this beach. And this came and parked right here.
What if they watch?
I don't give a y'all dumb.
If they watch it, they would have done that.
Left their door open right here. Put their clothes out right here. They just in there. Fuck
Ain't
that.
got no self-awareness.
Stupid asses.
Or no, what you call it when you're not aware of your surroundings?
I don't know, girl. But my nails are cute. If only I just did them a little better. But I was never too good at doing my own nails. But the polish is good.
Yeah, the polish is
Don't get those kids.
minors.
Yeah. We still ain't seen no damn dolphins.
That's annoying.
And we can't get a view over here because these little uglies. Yes, if you didn't know, I am upset.
It's frustrating when you just chilling my own and then somebody come off in your bubble.